Hello everyone, today I got this return machine. What I did before, I replaced the water pump and also the flow meter, but apparently I don't like this wire. I'm gonna check if it's good, but apparently this is a used pump and I notified the customer to keep the cost low. Apparently I think there is a problem with this pump again, because what's happened is that the steam on this side is not going through as it should. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to replace the pump again. I don't think I have a new one, but I might have a used one again. I'll see what I can do here, but sometimes you see you're trying to save money to the customers and then the parts fail. So this repair, I don't know, lasted for, I don't know, probably a couple weeks or so. But you know, it's because the parts most likely not new, and you're trying to help the customers, but you know, sometimes it's best to just replace a new pump instead. I have few pumps here that I believe they still in working condition from what I remember. I'm going to install one, see how it works, and then we can go from there. Yeah, I can see that there's a problem with the steam. I didn't check the steam, I believe, last time, so I'm going to have see and test it. So the pump, actually, you know what, I'm not gonna even bother put this back in. I just want to test it first and then see how the steam works. Okay, just gonna power it on. And we'll see how the steam works. If it works good, then there's a problem with the pump, with the old one. If it's still doing the same issue with the steam one, we will have to see if there is a solenoid underneath, or sorry, behind it, because some models they do have a solenoid behind this cover, some they don't. I have to check. I don't want to open too much. I want to just replace the pump and see if it fixes the issue. If it didn't fix the issue, I'll have to open the front panel and see if there is a problem with the inlet on this side. Okay, so it's ready. I'm gonna turn it on and we'll see. I mean, it works better than with the other pump, but it's still not enough steam. You can see it's not gonna froth the milk. I mean, let's wait, maybe there's a blockage, it will open it up. Let's see. I can see there's a little bit of a runaway steam on this side. I'm not sure if it's maybe coming from the bottom here, but I'm gonna open this front panel and see if there's any inlet behind it. So in order to open the front cover, what you want to do, you want to take this side cover out. Obviously take it from the power. If you want to do it correctly, you want to first turn it off. It will bring the brew group to the normal position. Once it's, yeah, so it's gonna rinse. So I think the pump is okay. I think it's something to do on the valve here. And I believe I do have this valve in stock, so we'll see what's going on here. Okay, now when it's in normal position, you can unplug the power, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna take those two screws out. And then I'll take the front cover. I guess I have to remove the top cover. I didn't want to do that, but there's two screws on each side here. Then you remove the top cover. If there's beans there, be careful, but you know, you just want to kind of wiggle it. It will come out. Sometimes it's a little stubborn, but here you go. So, and now the front will come out, but before that you have to remove this knob. Be careful when you do that, because sometimes they tend to break. If you don't have any extra machine like that, it will be probably hard to find, because most of the parts here are no longer available and obsolete. So yeah, so this machine, sorry, just trying to kind of put it aside. Yeah, so this machine has this okay, so we have some issue here. I don't think it could be that there is a problem with the valve here. I'm not entirely sure, but I can see that could be that it's blocked here or something. I'm gonna have to open this up and see, but I see that the pressure is coming from here. So I don't think there's a problem with the pressure here, but we have a problem, something to do with this side. Let me just open this up. I don't have another one in the shop, unfortunately, like this. Like, I don't have this valve. But I do see a problem here, so, and it's something to do with this valve inside. Maybe it's blocked. Let me just see. I'll try to open this up and see if there's any blockage inside. Yeah, make sure you don't lose anything, right? So I think it was here. I'm just gonna blow in here. If you don't want to do it with your mouth, you can use the syringe. This side looks okay, there's no problems there. There might be some scale in this valve causing it. It's really hard to say. try to open it up. Okay, so apparently this is in open position. I'm just blowing here to see. I think the valve is good. I mean, well, I think it's the pump problem. I really need to install a new pump here in order to fix the issue. I think the valve is fine. I mean, there's a little bit of debris here, but it's not major. I don't think this will cause this issue. Yeah, I don't think that we need this valve replaced. I think the valve is good. Let me check this O-ring, maybe the O-ring, but I don't think the O-ring is the issue here. There's two O-rings here. Yeah. They are, I don't know if they are, oh, see, you don't want to lose those O-rings. They are a little greasy. I'm not sure exactly, you know, from, if you're gonna take a look, they do look like the belly is a little bit flat, but I really don't think this is the issue. I mean, I don't have the same exact O-rings, but I don't think this is the issue. Let's see on the other side. Yeah, this is just a regular O-ring. This looks like a little different O-ring than the regular. See how it's a little bit more flattened and thicker on the side, so I really don't think it's the issue. I think we need a new pump, but a brand new pump, not a used one, because I put this pump and it's actually started working much better than the other pump. So I would recommend the customer replacing a new pump. In this case, I tried to save him a little bit of money, but unfortunately didn't fix the issue. Those O-rings are fine. I don't think we need to replace them. So this is my video for today. So what I did so far, I tested the inlets. The valve here works good. The O-rings are good from each side. The pump is good for the brew group, but the pump is not good for the steam one. So we need a new pump to fix those issues. Other than that, there is no blockage here. There's no blockage there, and everything seems to be okay. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care.